Hi everyone, welcome to my recording of homework assignment for Dash 5, where we are talking about the difference between the basis of accounting with cash or accrual. And so let's just jump right in. So the first thing I wanted to do is calculate what it would be on the cash basis. Okay, so in our question, we're going to figure out the difference between cash and accrual as far as which is more useful for the decision makers. So in order to figure this out, what I did was I took the service revenue for the year, which was $29,500, and they tell us that out of that there was $8,100 in service revenue that was not yet collected. So to get the cash received from services rendered, obviously we're going to subtract that. So 29,500 minus the service revenue that was not collected. That means that they got a total of 21,400. So that's our total cash received from services rendered for this year. Next, we're going to subtract our expenses. So we take a look at our expenses, and of those expenses, there was $13,730 in operating cash, and then also in prepaid insurance, there's $26.10. Okay, so we're going to add those together to get our total, which gives us a total of $16,340 in expenses. Now remember, our net income is just revenue minus expenses, so that's a fairly easy one there. Just 21,400 minus the 16,340, which leaves us a net earning of 5,060 on the cash basis. Now to calculate what it would have been for accrual, it's actually even easier. We're just going to take our total revenue, which is 29,500, minus the operating expenses for the year, which is 1,880, and that gives us our total amount of 27,620. Oops, that would help if I put the right amount in. 18800. Can't miss those zeros. Okay, that's better. 10,700 in accrual. So you can see there is a pretty big difference there. So our next part of the question is which basis of accounting, cash or accrual, is going to provide more useful information for the decision makers? Well, the cash is a little bit easier for them to do as they're going along. However, the accrual gives them a better picture of what's actually happening with the company. And so that's going to provide more useful information for the decision makers. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.